I've coated our keel. Notice our holes. There was one hole and there was another big one back here. Filled them up with a boat coat. This resin we got now is brilliant for fixing up things like that. Look, you'd never know there were holes there. It's been sitting there for quite a while. It's pretty well gelled, see that? So I'm going to whack another coat over the top and on this side. Before I put it on the plastic, I actually coated the bottom side, so it's got a fair layer on it. But what I'll do, once this gets another good coat on this side, I'll let it cure, then I'll sand it, and I might do another coat on the other side, or I might put it up on pins actually, then from there do another 2 coats over the top so it's got a good layer. Because going on our keel, I want it to have plenty of meat on it for running up onto things and scratching and stuff like that. Won't ding readily because it's so bloody hard. It's a really tough piece of timber. So I'm going to throw some more boat coat on. I'm just using a disposable brush. Always use white haired brushes. The problem if you don't is that you get hairs in your job and you're chasing them all over the place. These fellas, the hairs go clear. I'm not going to try and hold this while I boat coat it, but you can see how it's going on. It's important to make sure you don't miss anything with your second coat. So just keep lathering him on. When you're on a flat surface like this, you don't need to pull it too thin. Better off having nice thick coats so that when you sand it, you still got plenty of meat there. If you notice on this cut edge, the epoxy, it's drawn right into it. So that will be coarse sanded, and we'll just glue that onto the bottom of our boat with the thickened boat coat, of course, and a fillet each side, and you won't pull it off once it's glued on. Magic stuff, the old boat coat, especially when you put the fillers with it when it comes to gluing. Here's another tip I've got for you. This is that keel I was started the other day. I've sanded it back after it was laying on the plastic, and I've set it up vertical, and I put 1 coat of epoxy on, so the boat coat I put on with a non-yellowing hardener. Notice I've got a bit of timber underneath, a bit of old melamine, and I've driven nails through it, and then I've drilled holes in the timber underneath, and I've located the keel actually on the melamine so it's suspended, and that way I can coat it all over in the one go. I'm not just doing one side. So I've done that about 5 minutes ago. The next step, I don't know if you can see it, but there's some air bubbles in there. I'm going to hit that with a dose of metho, and you just mist metho over the surface, and it, oops, you don't want it bubbly like that, or you just want to mist him over, and away you go. And that'll burst all the air bubbles. It breaks the surface tension on them. Really good little technique.